last week we talked about your funnel system and tracking it, okay? So I just kind of want to recap that. So what I want you guys to do when I'm recapping that, the ones I need you guys to pull up your stats from last week, okay? Because we need to pull them up again today, and we're going to compare. And this is what I'm going to show you. This is going to be the game changer for you in your business, because now you will no more make decisions off of how you feel, because there's no money in how you feel, because you are going to have great days where you feel good. You're going to have days when you're like off. That's called human, right? But the moment you base everything off of your stats, you know what to pivot, you know what to fix. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to find those stats, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to help you with yours, because here's what I've learned. And you guys, I've been doing this since 2022. And here's what I love about it, because what I would do is every Sunday I did this. I would track my numbers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to track your numbers. So I'm going to have you guys do it while we're on here. Because every Sunday I would track my numbers, and I would watch my numbers. And then I knew if I needed to make a change in my content, because numbers don't lie. So if your numbers are improving, and I'm going to help you with that, then you don't got to fix anything with your content. You know you're on track. If your numbers dip, there could be some factors of why it dips, okay? And then if it's one of the factors, then we don't do nothing with it. We evaluate it the next week. You guys, that is how I was able to stay very consistent, because there's no emotion in numbers, because you're like, you look at the data, you're like, okay, I'm doing good, or okay, I need to make a little bit of a pivot. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So what I want to do is I just want to show my screen and just show you guys that real quick. And so you guys are going to want to screenshot this. Okay, let me pull this up. So when you're tracking, this is what you look for, okay? So the first thing you do is you got to open up system, okay? Open up system.io. You're going to go right into the dashboard, okay? So then when you're in the dashboard, you stay on that dashboard, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the dates in week to week. So I check every Sunday, so I will do Sunday to Saturday, okay? And then the next Sunday, I will do the week before, right? And so what you need to do is put those dates in, and then what you need to check is how many leads do you have from the prior week, okay? And it will be right there. Then the next thing you do is you check how many sales you've had for the week, okay? Then the next thing you do is you go into your funnel step, and you see, right, this is the funnel step you're going to want to go into, okay? And you go into your funnel step, you click on the squeeze page, and you're going to go right to stats, and this is the conversion rate you need to look at. Nothing else matters but that one. Right now, this is all that matters, because these are going to be the numbers between the amount of leads you have and what this conversion is, and the amount of sales determines if you need to change anything. I'm going to help you guys with this, okay? So these are the most important numbers. Now, there's a few factors involved. You do not make any decisions off of anything for 90 days or when you have 100 leads, okay? So if you so whichever comes first, right? So if you have 100 leads, and then let's say it's before the 90 days, then we'll start making decisions. Because here's where a lot of people lose focus. And that is, you have 5 people you have 5 leads, and you don't understand why you haven't made any money yet. You guys, if you make money off of 5 people, you are the most amazing human on the planet. I want to go gamble with you or something, because you're good at what you do or something. I don't know. So you guys, you can't expect that. You can't even expect any sales before 100 leads, right? Because these are complete strangers. And so that's something that's very important, but get in the habit of tracking it now. Now, if it's been 45 days and you don't have and you've been consistently creating 3 pieces of content a day for 45 days, and you don't have 100 leads, we got to fix something. Something needs to be fixed, okay? And so those numbers are very important. So I want you to make sure you're screenshotting this, and then I want to, real quick, instead of me just helping you with this by telling you, I want to actually help you by literally helping some people in the community. So if you have over 100 leads, first of all, we got to clarify that. If you have over 100 people in your list, and I did your numbers last week, and you have your computer and everything pulled up, let's do it again. So raise your hand if any of those are you. It don't matter if you have cells or not. Okay. All right, Natasha, let's go. Let me get my handy dandy paper going. Okay, I'm ready, my friend.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't realize I was going to go through so fast, but I got it.
You're going to have to get sweets too, sorry.
I'm sorry, to do what? I'm sorry.
Can you get just a minute? I might be able to find it. Hold on. I think this is a book I had in Hawaii. Let me just look.
Okay.
If not, here they are. Just make sure my numbers. Yeah, just give them to me again, because I don't want to.
Okay. All right. So my stats conversion is 12.15%, and my contacts total is 197.
Okay, total is 197. Okay.
And I think the last time we talked, I had 5 sales, and I have 6 now.
Awesome. Okay, so now let's just go let's just do the days. So
okay.
that would be,
let me go back.
You guys can do the exact dates. So it would be last Tuesday, so the 4th through the 10th. So you guys, make sure those are the numbers I want you to track on your dashboard, the 4th through the 10th.
All right, the 4th. So on or after the 4th. Okay.
Yeah, so just click on the dates, but the 4th through the 10th, and let me know what your total leads are for the 4th through the 10th. I have your total,
40.
but now what are your leads for the 4th through the 10th?
40.
Awesome. Okay. And then any sales during that week?
Yes. That week was 1 sale during that week. No, I'm sorry, 2 sales.
Okay, I like that. Okay, so let's just do this into perspective. So prior to June 4th, you had 157, and after June 4th, you had 40, and the 157, you had 4 customers, and between June 4th and 10th, you had 2. That's correct, right? Because you had 157. Yes. Okay, so you got...
All right, guys. I just wanted to show you guys that if you're looking for an earn from home money from home opportunity, check out the Legacy Builders program. And guys, where I am, I'm in the actual training. Okay, I'm actually in the training of the Legacy Builders program. And what you're watching is Michelle O'Neill going over basically tracking weekly goals and making adjustments with content to increase sales. The training that Michelle has done, it has paid off. I wish I could let you guys watch more videos, and I probably will do that just to give you guys bits and pieces of what the Legacy Builders course or program is all about. Okay? If you're looking to work from home with this awesome program, the Legacy Builders 2.0, what you'll be getting is a done-for-you system that's fully automated, 100% commissions, no monthly fees ever. There's 4 levels that you can join. That's pretty much up to you. That's $100, $300, $600, and a $900 level. Okay? You make a profit today, you get paid today. You're not waiting a week or 2 or 3 or even a month. You're not waiting. You make a commission the same day. Okay? Number 2, no monthly fees ever. I think I mentioned that, but I want to mention them again. Okay? 100% profits. You made. Not 50%, not 70%, not 80%. It's 100% commissions. This business is fully yours. It's fully automated. You're plugging and playing on a few things to set up your funnel, your email system, which is in system.io. Okay? And you get out there and you promote your system. But you do have to go through the training. What I'm doing right now. Okay? It's also beginner friendly. This is not any products you're selling or anything like that. This is fully 100% digital. Online. It's an online course. Okay? There's no physical products that you're promoting. Alright? If you're looking for something that is pretty much simple and you put together, plug and play, and you can start promoting your business today, learn and earn, check out the Legacy Builders program. Okay, my name is Calvina. Check out the link in the description, guys. Alright, what I mean by fully automated, let me show you. I'll get back to this in a second. This is a funnel. Put in an email and you'll get this video right here. Now watch this video before you do anything else. This is Michelle O'Neill, who's the CEO of the Legacy Builders program. She's basically given us her blueprint on how she became a millionaire using the Legacy Builders program 2.0. Okay? I'm not going to play the video. You guys can actually check out my other videos with the same video. And it's actually, she's actually explaining the Legacy Builders program, because I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. Alright? So this is the second thing. First, the funnel. This is the second thing you'll see is the video. This video will do the selling and telling for you. What basically Michelle is doing the selling and telling for you. She's talking about her journey. Okay? And how she started from basically working from home with this system. Okay? So, there's the email system. That's in system.io. I can't actually get in it now, but, you know, it's once you set everything up, as you guys see in there, the email system, be setting up the email system that's fully automated. So once the person puts in their email address, they will get an email. Put in your email address, you will get an email from me, guys. If it's not in the inbox, make sure you check your spam. Okay? Work from home moms, work from home dads, stay at home moms, stay at home dads, people that's work from 9 to 5, that's doing the 9 to 5 and looking to supplement their income, looking to earn extra income. Check out the Legacy Builders program, guys. Okay? Alright, I just wanted to explain this to you guys. I'm going to get back to here. Now, I know there's some people out there that's heard about the misconceptions of the Legacy Builders program. And I just wanted to say that Michelle O'Neill, what you see her doing here, tracking weekly goals and making adjustments with content to increase sales. As you see this person right here, she's followed the blueprint. She has leads, a whole bunch of leads, and made 3 sales from following the blueprint. Okay? From following the training, going through the training. Make sure you guys, if you sign up, go through the training correctly so you'll know what to do. Alright, I know there's some people out there that's spreading false lies and stuff like that. You know, everybody, there's 50,000 people within this, 50,000 plus people within the digital growth community. You will get the training, live coaching, webinars with this system. Okay? She's proof there's more people that I'll probably show you guys bits and pieces, of this, while I'm still going through the training. But I basically wanted to show you guys some of the inside of this. Okay? And how Michelle O'Neill cares and want to make sure that we are succeeding online. If you're a beginner, you definitely want to check out this program. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you guys right here. Okay, this is the digital growth community. And what you see within this community is a classroom calendar, members map, leaderboards, about. Right down here is all introduce yourself, wins, daily videos and replays. So if you're not there for the live training and the webinars and stuff like that, they're right here if you missed them. Okay, you get tech and login support and more. Okay, what I want to show you guys is the wins. This business is 100% legit. Okay, this is Christy Metropolis. I just hit 500 leads in my funnel. Why is this so exciting for me? Because the last 210 emails in my funnel are from March 17th. When I started going live on TikTok today, the first 290 emails took 7 months almost of these. Congratulations, Christy. Rick Bill made it's a $300 upgrade ding. Okay, congratulations, Rick. So my new customer signed up for the Digital Mastery 4 days ago, and now he just decided he wanted to upgrade to the Legacy Builders 2.0 program. Okay? Congratulations, Rick. Christy Metropolis, another $900 sale today. And just seen her talking about her leads. 500 leads she's got in this funnel. This funnel right here, it converts. It is a game changer. Okay? So as you guys see that, she made a 900 sale. Even though it was 2 days ago, it's a win for her. Congratulations again, Christy. Renee Clark just did her first live today. Congratulations, Renee. Alright, this is Oliver's son, Arceer. $100 ding. Waking up after a short siesta this afternoon to a $100 ding. This is the true definition of passive income. Learning the skills to work smart, not hard. Let automations doing the heavy lifting. And one more, Paula Forbes, $1,800 in under 12 hours. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. I had mini stroke. Husband never showed up. No text, no calls, nothing. He was away on a work trip. Those work trips weren't trips. And okay, that's enough of that. But congratulations, Paula. It's great you're okay from, from the incident, you're having a stroke. And I want to congratulate you again. And that you're okay. And continue. Blessings on Paula. Congratulations. Alright. So, I wanted to show you that the Legacy Builders program 2.0 is 100% legit, guys. Okay? Fully automated. Pretty much done for you. Beginner friendly. You earn 100% commissions. You don't have to worry about any physical products. This is digital. Everything is online. Okay? My name is Calvina. Alright? Hoping you guys check this system out. Click the link in the description. Like, share, subscribe. And I would love to see you guys on the inside. My name is Calvina. Y'all have a great and wonderful day.